Guys, welcome back. So this is yesterday's chart. So this is a 28 315 candle, and let's look at the first candle and then how the levels have changed, right? So this is the first candle today and the 9:15, and this is the day's high, day low, and anything above this, I'm actually expecting will test this, and then there is a slight reversal. And if this cross, then we should be able to see this is the level, right? And in case if this breaks down, and definitely this we are going to see a much 23,775 levels, right? So let's play and try to understand what happened today, right? So there is a strong candle to upside, but the high of the day is actually playing as a resistance here. So this not able to cross. See this is actually touch this and then reversal. Now when came down and a high of the week, again there is a reversal to upside, right? So from here, exactly this tested month low. If this cross and sustain, see basically this is what actually in my group also I suggested. If don't take any long here, only above this. If there is a close above this and sustains, and if, for example, when I say sustains, in a 5 minutes candle, ideally actually 15 minutes, but in 5 minutes, the close should happen, and then another candle also should be in a green and the close should happen. So back to back two candles closed. For example, here red closer here, and there is another close. Then you confidently you can take which goes at the PE side. Same way, CE only after the low of the day, so that we can actually expect it's going to test this one, right? So let's see. No, it's not able to cross the month low, and let's keep on trying. But a lot of resistance here. So that's the reason why I suggested not to take here, because if you would have taken here 24 100 CE, the price of this is around 122 when the market is actually first time tested this level 132. But by the time market actually here trying to cross this, the same 24 100 CE price is 100. So because of this time, so there is close to around like 30 points lost than the option price. So it crossed, but their close didn't happen, right? So let's look at next one. So the market is closed just below this. So if you see the first, there is a momentum here and then the complete sideways market, right? The same way, what might have happened in the Bank Nifty? Let's look at this. Okay, so this is the Bank Nifty. This is yesterday's candle. So this is the first candle of the day. So this is a high, this is a low. So I enabled another one more day because yesterday market is actually and the so most of the time market is actually trading in this around this. So I enabled the 2 days here. So let's look at what happened on Bank Nifty. Okay, if you look at this, all along only after close above this, so you can see 52 455 level. But anything on if it is take a reversal, you're going to see 51 830. So basically, this is the level. So you can take PE once you see a reversal here. You can take a CE once you see a reversal here, right? So let's play it that way. So there is a reversal, clear confirmation on the reversal. See, this is what exactly I'm saying. Reversal after the second candle. And then you see, there is almost like if you see 52 100 to 51 820, so 300 points down, right? So reversal here. So this we call it a doji, right? So there is an again you can expect an upside momentum because of that reversal. See again it tested this level and then coming down. So from here another upside, another 300 points upside, right? So this is our market. Most of the day, it's a kind of a sideways when you are looking from the Nifty perspective, but from the bank Nifty perspective, so it's like one 300 points down and then up, another 300 points down, sorry, 200 plus points down, and then again 300 points up, right? So back to back, there is a lot of opportunities in terms of the CE and PE, considering the most of the time the trading is happening between the low of the day and the high of the day. So that's the reason why these levels are very important for us, right?